In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to blur a specific part of a video using the CapCut editing app. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial, everyone. If you need to blur out someone's face, license plates, personal information, or any other details in a video, stick around until the end to learn how to accomplish this task. To begin, open the CapCut application on your device, as the process is identical for both iOS and Android. Once inside the CapCut app, import the video you wish to edit. For example, I have a captivating car video, and I aim to blur out the license plates. Now, tap on the Effects option next, select Video Effects from the menu, navigate to the Lens section, and locate the basic blur effect. Click on this effect to proceed with the blurring process. The blur effect will be applied to the entire video by default, which is exactly what we want. The blur effect will appear on our timeline, and we can drag it to cover the entire video or just the section where we want to blur a specific part. Once done, navigate back to the video library, tap on the overlay button located here, then select Add Overlay. CapCut will prompt you to choose from your photo gallery. Select the same video again, but this time it will appear slightly smaller than the frame size. Zoom in the video slightly to ensure it fits the frame properly. Now we can continue with the next steps. Make sure that our second video is selected. Scroll to the right until you find the mask option and tap on it. A menu will appear with various mask shapes to choose from. For blurring parts of a video, the circle and rectangle masks are the most suitable. Since you want to blur your license plates, select the rectangle shape. As you can see, we've created the mask, but we need to toggle the invert button, located in the bottom left corner of our screen. This will blur the selected part of the video. However, we're not finished yet. We need to add keyframes to our mask to make it move. As you can see, my car and camera move throughout the frame, but the mask remains static. We need to add keyframes to animate the mask. Ensure you are at the beginning of your video and then tap on the keyframe button. Next, move the video forward a few frames. Then, ensure the second video is selected. Find the mask button and click on it. Then, adjust your mask as necessary. Click on the Done button to confirm. Repeat this step and add as many keyframes as required throughout your video. I'll fast forward through this process as it can be time-consuming. That's how you can blur a part of a video using CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.